Hello everyone, this is James, and I'd like to cover some of the features that you're most likely going to want to use when you're in Discord. When you log in to Discord, you're typically going to start out at a screen that looks a lot like this. Right here on the left-hand side, you can see where we've got all of our various chat channels. Of course, engaging in a chat channel is pretty simple. You can just jump in here and type out messages to everyone, preferably in English. But right down here, you can see voice channels. You can see where some of these have a padlock icon to the left. That's indicating that those are private channels. So like right now, I can't access those. If I wanted to, I could pop in on this one, a proctored event, and if I click on this right now, since it's a voice channel, immediately I'm going to hear people talking and they're going to be notified that I've joined and they're going to be able to start out a conversation with me right away. There's no second step to engage there. Um, right down, if I were to do that, you would see icons a lot like these down here below. You see the disconnect and the share and the go live icon. There would also be icons if I click into this channel, one to mute the channel, which is it's just going to silence my mic so that I'm not so that they can't hear me, but I'm only listening. So say you've got background noise going on, you don't want to disturb them. Or there's also a deafen icon, and that's going to keep you from hearing them. So say you want to join the chat and you want them to still see that you're there and you want them to get a clue that you're going to be back, but for right now you're listening to something else, so you want to cut that audio for yourself but still be present in the room and kind of let them know that you're there and you're going to be right back. That's the whole point in the deafen icon. Um, if you want to direct message someone, like you can see people over here online. You can also go up here and search and find people. Or if you see someone in one of these chat rooms, like say I see Kirsten here and I wanted to talk to her, I could click on, let's pick someone I haven't done yet. Like say Denise. I don't think I've messaged her before, but if I send a message to Denise right now, then that's going to add her to my private conversations. So after I've sent that message and I've started private conversation with her, then if I click up here on the blue icon in the top left, looks kind of like a controller. It's the Discord icon. Now here you can see my private conversations. I just most recently, sent a message to Sir Metalodon here, and I did the same thing. I picked him out of a group, I sent him a direct message, and now he shows up here in my private messages. And then I can navigate between my private conversations here. So these are all direct messages. Also, if I wanted to call someone, same thing. I can go up here to my private messages, say click on Kirsten here, and I can start a voice call. Or I can go back into my various chat rooms, click in one of these rooms and just right click. I can look at people online here, right click someone. I got the option to call or pick someone out of a chat room here, click on call and I can call them. Once you call someone, that's where you get the option to do a screen share. I'm not going to call someone right now and try to share screens with them, but you're going to see this icon that looks just like this. So if I was calling this tired looking guy sitting here at his desk, I could click on this screen share icon right here and share my screen with him. The last point of interest is probably if we want to set a status. So like if you look at my individual contacts over here, you can see like again, Sir Metalodon is online. You're going to see the little green icon here. But like Dr. Ford here is idle, but she's also got a custom status, Happy Wednesday. So if I wanted to do either one of those, I can come down here and click on my icon, my picture in the bottom left here, and I can change mine to idle or do not disturb or just invisible. So that means no one will know that I'm online. They won't be able to look me up and contact me at the time. They won't see me there, but I'll still be on Discord. Or I can set a custom status. So I can go here, I can click one of these icons and add, something depending on my mood. So say I'm in the mood for food. I can click on my fork and knife icon and you've got oodles of them. I can also just type in uh, like Happy Wednesday, like we saw that Dr. Ford had. Um, Also, you can set it to clear, so you can tell it you want it to clear whatever status you set here after 30 minutes, 4 hours after today. So in other words, tomorrow it would clear, or don't clear at all. You could leave that as your status until you go in and manually change it. That's all for now, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.